Now we take a numerical problem that is, or we can say that it is a mixture of numerical and conceptual problem. So this problem is very important from board exam point of view because a number of times the question has been asked. Now the question is, a parallel plate capacitor is charged by a battery. After some time the battery is disconnected and a dielectric slab with its thickness equal to the plate separation is inserted between the plates. What change, if any, will take place in? And the different quantities are there. So 5 different quantities have been given on which we have to see the change. Now the question is that the situation is that the whole part is replaced from vacuum to the, has been changed from vacuum to the dielectric. But when the battery is disconnected, then the charge will remain same. So whenever we take the case, the first thing is the charge on the plate. The reason is that when battery has been disconnected, so there is no further charging, so charge will remain same. The second is electric field intensity. As we know that electric field is inside the dielectric is E naught upon K due to the polarization of dielectric. So definitely the electric field intensity decreases. Then comes the capacitance of the capacitor. Remember, the capacitance will always increase. Why it is so? Because if it is epsilon naught, then it is replaced by epsilon, means K epsilon naught, and K is greater than 1. So capacitance becomes K times. Then we see the potential difference between the plates. So for potential difference is related to E into D, because electric field intensity is given as V upon D. So epsilon naught upon K into D, V naught upon K, K greater than 1, so potential difference across the plates of the capacitor decreases. And then finally the energy stored in the capacitor. Remember one thing, while answering this question, we have to use the expression for the energy that is having that quantity that remains constant, we can take, and we have to keep in that mind. And that is why we have been able to solve all these parts of the problem. Okay, for energy stored half CV square, so 1 by 2 K C naught, V naught upon K whole square, so 1 upon K half C naught V naught square, U naught upon K. It means the energy stored is decreased when the dielectric is placed between the plates of the capacitor.